Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that so many of you have asked about: web hosting. Specifically, we're going to talk about a company that's been making some serious waves in the industry: Hostinger. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur looking to launch your first online store, a blogger wanting to share your passion with the world, or even a seasoned developer searching for a reliable and affordable hosting solution, this video is for you. We're going to break down everything you need to know about Hostinger, from its features and performance to its pricing and customer support. Is it really as good as everyone says? Does it live up to the hype? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear answer. So, what exactly is Hostinger? Founded in 2004, they started with a simple mission: to let people create a website for free. Fast forward to today, and they've grown into a massive global hosting provider, serving millions of users in over 170 countries. Their core philosophy, however, seems to have remained the same: making web hosting accessible and affordable for everyone, without compromising on quality and performance. They're known for their incredibly competitive pricing, but as we all know, the cheapest option isn't always the best. That's why we're going to put them to the test and see if their low prices come at a hidden cost, or if they genuinely offer unbeatable value. Let's start by looking at what kind of hosting plans they offer. Hostinger covers a wide spectrum of hosting needs. For most people just starting out, their shared hosting plans are the main attraction. These are perfect for personal blogs, portfolio websites, and small business sites. The plans are tiered, usually named something like Premium and Business. The great thing is that even their entry-level plans often come packed with features like a free SSL certificate, which is crucial for website security and SEO, and a free domain name for the first year. This is a huge plus because it saves you money and simplifies the setup process. They also provide a good amount of storage and bandwidth, which is more than enough to get you started and handle a decent amount of traffic. One of the standout features that Hostinger is famous for is its user interface. Instead of the traditional cPanel that many of us are used to, Hostinger developed its own custom control panel called hPanel. Now I know what you might be thinking: another new thing to learn. But trust me, hPanel is incredibly intuitive and user-friendly. It's clean, modern, and designed with the beginner in mind. Everything is clearly labeled, from setting up your email accounts and managing your files to installing WordPress with a single click. This makes the often daunting task of managing a website feel so much more approachable. For those of you who are more technically inclined, don't worry. hPanel still gives you access to all the advanced features you need, like DNS management, cron jobs, and database administration. It strikes a fantastic balance between simplicity for beginners and power for advanced users. Now let's talk about the big one: performance. A beautiful website is useless if it takes forever to load. Website speed is a critical factor for user experience and for your Google rankings. So, how does Hostinger perform? They utilize Lightspeed web server technology, which is known for being significantly faster than the more traditional Apache servers used by many other hosts. Combined with built-in caching solutions, Lightspeed Cache for WordPress, for example, this gives your website a serious speed boost right out of the box. Their servers are also spread across the globe, in the USA, Europe, and Asia. This means you can choose a server location that's closest to your target audience, which further reduces loading times. In my own tests, and from what I've seen in the community, Hostinger consistently delivers impressive uptime and fast page load speeds, especially considering its price point. What if you outgrow your shared hosting plan? That's a great problem to have, and Hostinger has a clear upgrade path for you. They offer cloud hosting, which provides more dedicated resources, power, and scalability. Think of it as a supercharged version of shared hosting. It's perfect for websites that are experiencing a surge in traffic, or for e-commerce stores that need to handle a lot of transactions without slowing down. And for the real power users, developers, and agencies, Hostinger offers VPS, Virtual Private Server, hosting. This gives you your own dedicated slice of a server, with full root access and complete control over your environment. You can install custom software, configure the server exactly to your liking, and handle extremely high traffic applications. The fact that they offer this full range of services means you can start small and grow your hosting plan right alongside your business, all within the same ecosystem. Let's circle back to what initially draws most people to Hostinger: the price. They are famously affordable. You'll often see introductory offers that seem almost too good to be true. Now, it's important to understand how hosting pricing works. These super low prices are usually for longer-term commitments, like signing up for 2 or 4 years up front. The renewal rates will be higher than the introductory price, which is standard practice across the entire industry. However, even with the renewal rates, Hostinger remains one of the most cost-effective options on the market. They also offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try them out completely risk-free. If you're not satisfied with the service for any reason, you can get a full refund. This shows a lot of confidence in their product and gives new users peace of mind. No hosting provider is perfect, and customer support is often where a company truly shows its colors. So, how does Hostinger stack up? They offer 24/7 365 customer support through live chat and a ticketing system. In my experience interacting with their team, the agents are generally knowledgeable, friendly, and quick to respond. They seem well-trained and are able to handle both simple beginner questions and more complex technical issues. Beyond direct support, Hostinger has built an extensive knowledge base filled with tutorials, guides, and articles. If you're a do-it-yourself kind of person, you can probably find the answer to almost any question you have right there. This combination of responsive live support and a comprehensive library of resources is a huge win, especially for those who might feel intimidated by the technical side of running a website. So, who is Hostinger for? Honestly, it's for a very broad audience. If you're a beginner on a tight budget who wants an easy, all-in-one solution to get a website online, Hostinger is arguably one of the best choices you can make. The free domain, free SSL, and super intuitive H-panel make the startup process incredibly smooth. For bloggers and small business owners, the performance and features offered in their shared and cloud plans provide tremendous value for the money. Even for developers looking for an affordable VPS to run their projects, Hostinger presents a compelling option. The only group who might look elsewhere are those running massive enterprise-level applications with extremely specific and demanding server requirements. But for the vast majority of website owners, Hostinger hits that sweet spot of price, performance, and user-friendliness. In conclusion, Hostinger has earned its reputation as a top-tier hosting provider for a reason. They've successfully democratized web hosting by offering a powerful, fast, and incredibly user-friendly service at a price point that's accessible to almost everyone. The combination of light-speed servers, the brilliant H-panel, 24/7 support, and feature-packed plans makes them a formidable contender in the hosting world. They aren't just a cheap host, they are a value host, and there's a big difference. You get far more than what you pay for. If you're on the fence about which host to choose for your next project, I can confidently recommend giving Hostinger a try. With their 30-day money-back guarantee, you've really got nothing to lose. I hope this detailed breakdown has been helpful for you. Building a presence online is an exciting journey, and choosing the right foundation for your website is the first and most important step. If you have any personal experiences with Hostinger, or any questions I didn't cover, please drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you and will do my best to answer everyone. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more content like this. Until next time, keep creating.